If you want to see me take my headphone set from this to this, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. This is part 2 of my Beats headphone set restoration, and these will be my new replacement ear pads. So as you can see, there are 2 holes, one at the top and one at the bottom on varying sides, and there's a notch that indicates the bottom of the ear pad. It was said that that notch was specifically for the Beats Solo 3s, but I have the 2s, so I'm not really sure. But that same exact notch goes on the exact side where my earphone jacks will hook up into my earphones. So, for example, if you were to try to put the wrong pad on the wrong side of the earphones, you'll see that the holes do not match up with the notches that stick out on the earphones themselves. So now that I have the right ear pad for the correct side of my earphones, I'm going to try to measure them up to get a feel for it before I take off the plastic. So now I'm removing the plastic layer to expose the adhesive. Once you do that, all you now have to do is align the notches with the holes on the pad until you get it in the correct position, and then you squish it down onto the earphone. And I would recommend that you press it down as hard as you can for about 30 seconds to a minute, and that way you can make sure that it's completely attached. Okay, so now that that's secure, I'm going to move on to the other side. If you need to, you can wipe off your earphones again to ensure that there's no excess dust lingering in the area where the adhesion needs to stick to the earphones. Alright, after you have given it an additional press to ensure that everything is nicely secure, you're now complete. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with the results. They're so beautiful, and I really hope that this was helpful for you guys. As far as the top band is concerned, I had to buy these 2 pieces separately, and the top band actually is a lot better than the original headband. This headband is actually rubber, and the previous one was just cushion covered in pleather. So this one is actually really nice. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you today. If you want to see more videos from me, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.